Hello everyone, welcome to the video session. In this session, I am going for Web Application Firewall Fingerprinting and detecting presence of load balancer. So what is Web Application Firewall Fingerprinting? The purpose of web application firewall fingerprinting is to protect the application from various attacks and to identify the web application firewall product. For this hack, I am going to use Kali Linux Webhoof LBD internet and target. So I will be target two website, that is certifiedhacker.com and insecure.com. So what is webwoof? It is a Python tool to help to fingerprint and to identify web product. It is an active reconnaissance tool so that it actually connects to the web server. What is LBD? It stands for Load Balancing Detector. It detects whether a given domain uses load balancing or not. So let's go. This is my Kali and I am going to use command webhoof. So this is my first target. So it is started. So let's wait for some time for the scan to complete. Okay, it is completed. No wave detected. Okay, so now I am going for certifiedhacker.com. Okay, so see here the site certifiedhacker.com is behind mode security, that is Spider Labs web. Okay, so this is the web product. Now I am going to make the use of LBD, that is load balancer detector. So insecure.org, this is my first target. So see here we got the information that the web server is Apache 2.4.6 CentOS. Now it is checking for HTTP load balancing. So see here insecure.org does not use load balancing. Okay, now I am going for certifiedhacker.com. So we got the web server information that certifiedhacker.com is using Apache. Now it is checking for HTTP dot balancing. So let's wait for some time. So we got information that certified hacker does not use load balancing. So in this way, by using webhoof and LBD, we can detect web application firewall and load balancer. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more update on cybersecurity. Till then, bye bye.